Is it the screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next point, the linear differential equation of first order. Linear differential equation of first order. Okay, theorem. The general solution, the general solution of Cauchy linear equation, okay, which is Lagrange's equation. Lagrange's equation, the general solution of Cauchy linear equation, P of x, y, z, okay, capital P of x, y, z into small p plus capital Q of x, y, z into small q, which is equal to R of x, y, z. Okay, so this is the differential equation, partial differential equation with capital P of x, y. P is the function of x, y, z, capital Q is the function of x, y, z, and R, capital R is the function of x, y, z, in which z is dependent variable on x, y, and x and y are the independent variable. Okay, the solution of this equation is given by where capital P, capital Q, and R, capital R, are continuously differentiable function, are continuously differentiable function, differentiable function of x, y, z, x, y, and z, and it's given by the solution of this equation is given by f, capital F of u and v is equal to 0. Okay, where Vf is the arbitrary function of u and v, where capital F is arbitrary function of u and v, and u of xyz, u is the function of xyz, which is equal to c1, and v is the function of xyz, which is equal to c2, are independent solution of the system, are independent solution of the system, dx upon p, capital P, dy upon capital Q, which is equal to dz upon capital R. Okay, so this is the statement of our theorem. Okay, the general solution of the Cauchy linear equation, that is Lagrange's equation, P is the function of xyz, pp into qq is equal to R, where p, q are the continuously differentiable functions of x, y, z, and it's given by the solution of this partial differential equation is given by f of uv is equal to 0. Okay, where u is the function of xyz is equal to c1, and v is the function of xyz, which is equal to c2, and capital F is the function of arbitrary functions of u and v. Okay, and that u and v are the independent solution of this system, dx upon capital P, dy upon capital Q is equal to dy upon dz upon capital R. Okay, so this is the statement. Now look at the proof. We know that we know that u is the function of x, y, z, which is equal to c1, is given to us. Give it is equation number 1, and v is the function of x, y, and z, which is equal to c2. This is equation number 2. Are the solution of what? dx upon capital P, dy upon capital Q, which is equal to dz upon capital R. These all things are given to us. Okay, so this is equation number 3. Okay, so u and v are the solution of this differential equation. Okay, now differentiate equation 1 with respect to u. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to u we have. Okay, what is the equation number 1? U is the function of x, y, z, which gives du is equal to 0. Okay, where here the right hand side is the constant, so hence with respect to u it gets 0, and the derivative of u. Okay, so it is the total derivative du. So we can calculate the du like this. Look at here. Now differentiate left hand side u of xyz with respect to u. Okay, u is the function of x into dx. Okay, differentiate with respect to x now, plus u is the function of y, differentiate with respect to then y, du, that is du, plus this is the total derivative of u of xyz is equal to what? C1, plus u is the function of z into dz, which is equal to right hand side what is 0. Give it as an equation number 4. Now look at here, equation 4 is the partial differential equation. Okay, so now look at here, this is also differential equation, and equation 3 is also the differential equation. Now we have this equation number 1, this equation 1 and equation number 4 is the solution of what? Equation number 3. Okay, so hence we can write, this shows that okay, 3 and 4 must be consistent, What is meaning the consistent? That is, equation 1 is the common solution of 3 and 4. Okay, any doubt up to here? That equation number 1, u of xyz is equal to c1 is the common solution of what? Equation number 3, which is given to us, and equation number 4. Okay, any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Now similarly differentiate equation 2 with respect to v we have. Okay, so we get dv is equal to 0. It implies that. Why? Because v is the function of xyz is equal to c2. Hence the right hand side we get 0. Now differentiate with respect to v now. V is the function of v x, and differentiate with respect to dx, plus v is the function of y into dy, plus v is the function of z into dz, which is equal to 0. Okay, so give it an equation number 5. Okay, from 3 and 4, look at here, from 3 and 4 we can write, this is nothing but what? Let this value is t. Okay, so what is the value of dx? Capital P into t. What is the value of dy? Capital Q into t. What is the value of z? Capital R into t. Now putting the dx, dy, dz in equation number 4. Okay, from 3 and 4 we can write, from 3 and 4. Get what we get? What is the value of p? Dx p into t na. So p into ux plus q into uy plus r into uz, which is equal to what? 0. Okay. p into t is q into t पण t त्या साइडला गेल्यानंतर काय होणार? 0 होणार. Okay, so we can write directly p into ux plus q into uy plus r into uz, which is equal to 0. Okay, give it as an equation number 6. समजते का कसं आलं हे? Actually ते into t येणार आहे. Okay, we can write directly. Okay, so this is p into ux plus q into uy plus r into uz is equal to 0. Similarly from 3 and 5. Similarly from 3 and 5 we get p into vx plus capital Q into vy plus capital R into uz, which is equal to 0. Give it as an equation number 7. Okay, now solving 6 and 7 for PQR. Okay, solving 6 and 7 for capital P, capital Q and capital R. So we get by using Cramer's rule. काय येणार? Capital P upon this is uy uz, first row uy and uz, and second row is, sorry, this is vy na. Okay, this is vz. This is vy and vz. Okay, which is equal to q upon, कळते का कसं येतंय?
Yes, sir.
Determinant of, for q we get ux vx. Okay, sorry, for q na, uz vz first column,
User.
and second column is ux vx. uz ux, and this is vz vx, and r is equal to r upon determinant of is equal to r upon ux uy, and this is vx vy. Okay, so that is we get capital P upon Jacobian of uv with respect to yz is equal to capital Q upon Jacobian of uv with respect to zx, which is equal to capital R upon Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. Okay, any doubt up to here? Okay, any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Okay, now consider what we have to prove, that this function f of uv is equal to 0 is the solution of, general solution of this equation. Okay, where f is the arbitrary function of u and v. We have to prove that f is function of, f is the general solution of this one. Okay, now this, now consider. Now consider capital F of uv is equal to 0. Okay, eliminate capital F from the given relation. We get differentiate that f, capital F, with respect to x and y. Hence, we get f is the function of u into bracket u is the function of x plus u is the function of z, okay, where the z is dependent variable on xy, and uz upon z, dou z upon dou x is what? Capital small p, sorry, okay, plus f is the function of v in v is the function of x plus v is the function of z, then z is the function of x. So here get dou z by dou x means p, which is equal to 0. Now differentiate with respect to y, then we get fu into u is the function of y plus u is the function of z and z is the function of y. So dou z by dou y is what? Small q plus f is the function of v, fu, okay, into v is the function of y and v is the function of z plus dou z by dou y is nothing but what? Small q, which is equal to 0. Okay, which implies that, okay, first equation implies that what? Eliminating fu and fv. From these two equations, we can write vx plus vz into p upon, okay, this one is ux plus uz into p, which is equal to what we get? fu upon fu काय येणार व्हॅल्यू fu upon fu is what? This one. And खालचं इक्वेशन काय देणार आपल्याला? fv upon fu vy plus vz into q upon uy plus uz into q. Okay, any doubt? From these two equations, we can write value of fv upon fu, okay, which is equal to काय येणार आहे? fv upon fu. Okay, any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Which implies that vx plus vz into p into uy plus uz into q, which is equal to vy plus vz into q into ux plus uz into p. Okay, now solve this one. Take the coefficient of p in one bracket. Okay, this one. Solve करा. हे solve केल्यानंतर काय येईल? In the bracket coefficient of p, small p, vz into uy minus uy into, sorry, vy into uz, okay, into small p, plus by solving this one, take the coefficients of small q in one bracket, we get vz into, sorry, vx into uz minus ux into vz into small q, which is equal to vy into ux minus vx into uy. Okay, solve करता येईल नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Which implies that Jacobian of uv with respect to zy or yz, okay, into small p plus, okay, this is small one p, Jacobian of uv with this upon with respect to zx, okay, this one is x into small q, which is equal to Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. Okay, this is the equation number 9. Now from 8 and 9, what is the equation number 8? This one, and this one is equation 9. We can write, assume this, the value of this one is t. Okay, so capital P is equal to what? uv with respect to yz into t and r. Okay, now putting the value of capital P here. Okay, so here we get pt. Value of this one is what? P into t, capital P, okay, into small p, plus similarly for this one, capital Q into t into small q, which is equal to r of r into t. Okay, value of this one is r into t. So t get cancelled. So here we get capital P into small p plus capital Q into small q, which is equal to r. So this is the equation number 10. Okay, this shows that हे तुमच्याकडे काय होतं, f of uv is equal to 0. From this we can obtain this differential equation. Okay, partial differential equation. This shows that f of uv is equal to 0 is the solution of equation number 10. Okay, such that u of xyz is equal to c1 and v of xyz is equal to c2. Okay, are the independent solutions of these two are the independent solutions of are independent solutions of dx upon p is equal to dy upon q is equal to dz upon r. Okay, any doubt up to here? काही डाऊट असतील तर विचारू शकतो. ह्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला n व्हेरिएबल साठी प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. इफ सपोज z इज द फंक्शन ऑफ x1 x2 अप टू xn. ओके, इथे काय प्रूव्ह केलं आपण? इफ z इज सेम प्रोसिजर आहे. Okay, instead of independent variable x and y, we have to do that for u of x1 x2 up to xn and z is equal to ca. Okay, nth variable साठी आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. सॉरी, nth इंडिपेंडेंट व्हेरिएबल साठी. ओके, एनी डाउट अप टू हियर? या थेरम मध्ये काही डाउट आहेत का? Look at here this statement. Okay, the Lagrange's equation. He जर Lagrange's equation असेल तर त्याचं सोल्युशन कसं असतं? f of u is equal to 0, where v is the function, u and v is the function of x, y, z, and these u and v are the independent solutions of dx upon capital P, dy upon capital Q is equal to dz upon capital R. Okay, any doubt in this theorem?
No, sir.
एक एक्झाम्पल घेऊयात. ओके, म्हणजे तुम्हाला कळेल हे थिअरम काय कळेल. ओके, लुक एट हियर. बीएससी थर्ड इयरला तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह केलंय. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 1. फाइंड the general integral or general solution or integral of z into xp minus yq is equal to y square minus x square. Okay, so this is the partial differential equation we have. We have to find the general solution of this equation. Okay, solution. The auxiliary equation, look at here, auxiliary equation of the given PDE, given partial differential equation is what? Dx upon capital P, which is equal to dy upon capital Q, which is equal to dz upon capital R, where what is the value of capital P here? P of x, y, z. What is the value of capital P? क्या येणार आहे zxp small p minus zyq is equal to y square minus x square ना. What is the value of capital P? This one, z into x. Capital Q of x y z is equal to, what is the value of q y z? X q of x y z
minus zy minus x
minus y z, okay, or minus zy. Okay, this one, capital Q, and what is the value of capital R of x y z is equal to
y square minus x square.
y square minus x square. Hence, the above equation becomes, therefore, the above auxiliary equation becomes we get dx upon zx is equal to dy upon minus yz, which is equal to dz upon y square minus x square. ह्या टाइपचे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह केलेत ना बीएसएल असताना.
Yes, sir.
Step number 1, consider the first two ratio. Okay, consider the first two ratios. We get dx upon zx is equal to dy minus yz. Okay, it implies z get cancelled. So he'll get dx upon x plus dy upon y, which is equal to 0. Okay, now integrating we get log x plus log y is equal to log c. Okay, where c is the any constant, it means that log c is also any constant. So it implies x into y is equal to c. Okay, any doubt? Implies u of x, y, z, which is equal to x, give it is c1. Okay, x into y is equal to c1. So this is first solution, u of x, y, z. Now consider step 2. How to find the v of x, y, z from these two equations, these three ratios. काय करावं लागेल? कोणते दोन रेशोज घ्यावे लागतील जेणेकरून मला v of x, y, z मिळेल? सॉल्व्ह केलेत नाही बीएसएल असताना? फर्स्ट अँड लास्ट. हा, येईल का इंटिग्रेशन काढून दाखवा, करा बरं काय येईल बघा.
Put y is equal to c1 upon.
ट्रायल अँड एरर मेथड आहे. ओके, ट्राय करावं लागेल. टेक dx minus dy, we get what? zx plus what? yz, and z common x plus y. Okay, and is another x plus y, x minus y, y minus x, y plus x. Okay, now consider this ratio, dx minus dy upon what we get here then, zx plus yz, which is equal to dz upon y square minus x square, which implies dx minus dy upon z, take common, this is x plus y, which is equal to dz upon y minus x, this one is y minus x, and this y plus x. So this get cancelled. Hence we get dx minus dy, okay, into y minus, take here, y minus x okay, which is equal to z into dz, which implies y minus x minus take common here, we get dy minus dx, which is equal to z into dz. Now integrating, we get हे मायनस घ्या किंवा यातनं हे मायनस काढा, यातनं मायनस कॉमन काढा किंवा यातनं मायनस काढा. ओके, which implies take minus sign x minus y, this one, okay, and this is dx minus dy, which is equal to z into dz. Now integrating both sides, we get x minus y bracket square, which is equal to z square upon 2 nahi hai, upon 2 plus c. Okay, now take this constant t2 upon 2, which implies minus x minus y bracket square, which is equal to z square plus c2. Okay, so which implies z square plus x minus y bracket square, which is equal to c2 dash. Okay, is it correct? So which implies v of x, y and z is equal to x minus y bracket square plus z square is equal to c2 dash. Okay, so this is the v of x, y, z. Thus the general solution of given partial differential equation is f of u and v is equal to 0. Okay, which implies that f of xy and x minus y bracket square plus z square, which is equal to 0. Okay, so these two are the independent solution. Okay, any doubt up to here? काही डाउट्स असतील तर विचारू शकता. ओके, आता ते कोणते दोन रेशो कसे घ्यायचे ते तुम्हाला कळायला पाहिजे. तेवढी जेवढी तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस जास्त कराल ते तुम्हाला समजेल. ओके, अजून एक सॉल्व करायचं, एक थेरम घेऊयात मग सॉल्व करूया. ओके, nth व्हेरिएबल साठी. नाउ नेक्स्ट थेरम, एक्झाम्पल घेऊया त्याचे अजून भरपूर, पण त्याआधी एक एक्झाम्पल हे थेरम घेऊया. ओके, बिफोर एक्झाम्पल वी सी दिस थेरम. इफ ui is the function of x1 x2 up to so on xn, तिथे x y z होतं, इथे x1 x2 up to xn and z. Okay, which is equal to ci, where I running from 1 to up to n are independent solution of, इथे काय होतं dx upon p, dy is equal to dy upon capital Q and is equal to dy upon dz upon capital R. इथे काय येणार are the independent solutions of dx1. Okay, dx1 upon p1 is equal to dx2 upon capital P2 up to so on dxn upon capital Pn, which is equal to dz upon capital R. Okay, so this is the independent solution of this differential equation, where P1, capital P2 up to so on capital Pn R and capital R are continuously differentiable functions. Continuously differentiable functions. Okay, of x1 x2 up to so on xn and z, not simultaneously 0. Okay, they not simultaneously 0. Capital F is equal to U1, sorry, capital F of U1, U2 up to so on, UN is equal to 0, where capital F is an arbitrary function. Arbitrary functions, sorry, function, okay, arbitrary differentiable function, arbitrary differentiable function, okay, is the general solution of a Cauchy-linear partial differential equation, capital P1 into dou Z by dou X1 plus capital P2 into dou Z by dou X2 plus up to so on. तिथे काय होतं, capital P1 upon small p, capital Q upon small q होतं with respect to 1. Okay, इथे n वेगळा म्हणून काय येणार, dou X1 dou X2 येणार. Okay, capital Pn into dou Z by dou Xn, which is equal to R. Okay, so this F is the arbitrary function of U1, U2 up to UN. This is this general solution of this Cauchy-linear partial differential equation. Okay, this is the statement of theorem. Now look at the proof. Given that Ui is the function of x1, x2 up to so on xn and z, which is equal to c1. Give it as an equation number 1, and I running from 1 to up to n are independent solution of the equation dx1 upon p1, capital P1, okay, dx2 upon capital P2 is equal to up to so on dxn upon capital Pn, which is equal to dz by r. Okay, these are the independent solutions of this equation, given the equation, differential equation. Give it as an equation number 2. Now differentiate equation 1. We have what we have, dui is equal to 0. Same procedure, जे मागच्या theorem ला पाहिली त्याची same procedure. Okay, now look at here. Ui is the function of x1, and with respect to x1, dx1 plus ui is the function of what, x2, hence du by dou ui by dou x2 into dx2 plus up to so on ui is the function of what, xn, dou ui is the function of dou xn into dxn plus now ui is the function of z, dou z into dz, which is equal to right hand side 0. Okay, this is the equation number 3. Now look at here, this equation 2 and equation 3 are consistent. That is, the equation 1 is the common solution of equation 2 and equation 3. Hence we get equation 2 and 3 are consistent. It means that what, that equation 1 is the common solution of 2 and 3. Okay, it implies that Similarly, we get capital P1 into dui by dx1, okay, plus capital P2 into dou ui by dou x2 up to so on, Pn into dou ui by dou xn plus r into dou ui by dou z, which is equal to 0. Okay, any doubt up to here?
सर ते
कळते का कसं येतं?
DUI इक्वल टू 0. सर DUI इक्वल टू 0 कशाला सपोज करतो सर आपण?
इथे
क्वेश्चन
कुठे
नंबर
सांग?
डिफरेन्शिएटिंग केल्यानंतर सर.
हो ते सांगतो की इथे कॉन्स्टंट काय राईट हँड साइड तुमचा 0 आहे ना, ह्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू आपण आय काढतोय dy. ओके, बट ui इज द फंक्शन ऑफ
येस सर,
x1,
येस
ui
सर.
इज द फंक्शन ऑफ x2, त्यामुळे ते घेतले. राईट हँड साइड 0 आहे ना इथे, c1 कॉन्स्टंट असल्यामुळे. ओके, एनी डाउट अप टू हियर? Okay, from equation 2 and 3 we can write this one. Okay, what is the value of dx1? Dx1 is nothing but what? काय इथे काय ना, from this one, suppose this is the value of t proportion, so dx1 is equal to what? Pt. Similarly process, I'm putting the value of dx1 in this equation, equation number 3. So this we get this one, p1 into dou ui by dou x1. ते t येणार सगळ्याकडे कॉमन. ओके, डायरेक्टली लिहिले आपण हे स्टेटमेंट. सो p1 into dui by dx1 plus p2 into dui by dx2 up to so on r into dui by dz dou z is equal to 0. Okay, so this we can write in the summation form now. Summation j running from 1 to n pj into dou ui by dou xi, sorry xj, plus this term as it is r into dou ui by dou z, which is equal to 0, where I running from what? 1 to n. Okay, so this is the equation number 4. Okay, now solving this with तिथे काय आलं होतं आपल्याला वरच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये, वरच्या थिरम मध्ये काय आलं होतं इथे? पी uv विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू yz होतं. इथे काय येणार? pj, बघा नीट काय सांगतो, वरचा थिरम आणि हा थिरम फक्त इथे जनरलायझेशन केलेलं आहे. तो इथे काय येणार? pj अपॉन, ओके, Jacobian of u1 u2 up to so on un upon with respect to u1 u2 up to un with respect to x1 x2 up to so on xj minus 1. Okay, and this one is z, and this xj plus 1 up to so on xn. Okay, इथे काय होतं? कॅपिटल P अपॉन Jacobian of uv with respect to काय होतं तिथे? yz. ओके, इथे काय येणार? pj अपॉन Jacobian of u1 u2 up to un with respect to what? x1 x2 xj minus 1 z and xj plus 1 up to so on xn. Okay, solving this all this equation. Okay, for I is equal to 1 to n, हे जर आपण पुट करून सॉल्व केलं तर काय येणार? pg upon this one, which is equal to r upon Jacobian of u1 u2 up to so on un upon with respect to Jacobian of u1 u2 up to un with respect to, okay, this is the equation number 5. कळतंय का कसं येते?
नाही सर, नाही कळत.
Yes, sir.
इथे बघा त्यास कळत नाही काय जनरलायझेशन केलंय फक्त लुक ॲट हियर एकच मिनिट इथे काय होतं कॅपिटल पी ओके इथे U1 U2 अप टू काय येणार UN आणि खाली काय येणार YZ विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू YZ आलाय इथे काय आलाय ZX आलाय आणि इथे काय आलाय X1 आणि X आणि Y तसं जर समजत नसेल तर अजून एक मिनिट पुट I इज इक्वल टू 1 इथे 1 ठेवल्यावर काय येणार DUI बाय इथे DUI येणार ओके सिम्पल इथे काय येणार DU1 येणार इथे पुट आय असे n आपण हे n व्हॅल्यू पुट केल्या याची तर काय येणार n इक्वेशन्स येणार ओके
येस सर.
मग त्यानंतर क्रॅमर्स रूल यूज केल्यानंतर हा इक्वेशन येईल क्रॅमर्स रूल ओके इथे जे कुठून रन होते 1 to n ओके कळते का जे कुठून रन होत आहे 1
येस सर.
to n असे I इज इक्वल टू 1 पुट केलो 2 पुट केल्यानंतर वी गेट n इक्वेशन ओके देन युजिंग क्रॅमर्स रूल वी गेट दिस वन ओके
ओके सर.
hence where Jacobian of u1 u2 up to so on un with respect to x1 x2 up to so on xn is equal to इथे लिहितो खाली is equal to upon to x1 do u1 with respect to x2 up to so on do u1 with respect to do xn and this one do u2 with respect to x1 do u2 with respect to do x2 up to so on do u2 by do xn up to so on do un upon do x1 do un upon do x2 up to so on this is do un upon do xn okay तुमच्या n क्रॉस n चा डिटरमिनंट असेल okay the value of this one is this okay any doubt up to here हे क्रॅमर्स टूल यूज केलेलं आहे बाकी काहीच नाही ते तुम्हाला जनरलायझेशन केल्यामुळे तुम्हाला समजत नाही ओके इथे j इज इक्वल टू 1 हे j रन करा आणि i इज इक्वल टू 1 ठेवा एक इक्वेशन मिळेल j इज इक्वल टू 1 ठेवल्यानंतर j1 n किती मिळेल i इज इक्वल टू ठेवल्यानंतर असे ओके इथे पण किती व्हेरिएबल आहे तिथे x1 x2 अप टू xn अँड दिस वन इज j सो इथे पण j व्हेरिएबल इथे पण j व्हेरिएबल हा पण तुमचा काय असेल n बाय n चा डिटरमिनंट असेल दिसायला दिसतोय मोठा हा तुमचा 1 2 अप टू n अँड दिस वन इज z एकूण n व्हेरिएबल आहे तिथे ओके इथे होता 2/2 चा होता म्हणून x आणि y दोनच होते तिथे व्हेरिएबल ओके म्हणून तिथे 2/2 चा डिटरमिनंट आहे होता ओके एनी डाउट नाउ कन्सिडर आहेत का काही डाउट्स असतील तर विचारू शकता बरं का now f is the function of u1 u2 up to so on un is equal to 0 differentiate with respect to xi we get okay summation j running from 1 to n dou f upon f is the function of what uj into uj is the function of x1 okay xi in generalization देतोय म्हणून तुम्हाला अवघड वाटत असेल प्लस uj is the function of z and z is the function of xi which is equal to 0 okay hence we get from I running from 1 to up to n. So eliminating dou f upon dou u1, dou f upon dou u2 up to so on dou fn upon dou un from this we have.
सर पण
We
एस
have,
कुठं व्हॅरी होतो? एस सेमच राहतो ना, तुम्ही एस एन लिहिलंय.
sorry, इथं ना fn dou f, this is dou f by dou un. We have, so eliminating this all this j running from 1 to n dou u1 u2 up to un upon dou of x1 x2 up to so on xj minus 1 and this z xj plus 1 up to so on xn into dou z by dou xj, okay, which is equal to dou u1 u up to so on un upon dou x1 x2 up to on xn, which is equation number 8. ओके, जर हे सर समजत नसेल तर 2/2 चा करून बघा. ओके, जे वरचं घेतलेलं आहे आपण थेरम. Okay, so now from 5 and 8 we get this equation. So it's 5. Assume this one is a 6 and this one is a 7. Now this one is 8. From 5 and 8 we have, okay, summation. What is the value of this one is pj, okay, and what is the value of this one is r into t. This is p into t. Okay, so say the value of the proportion is t, assuming. Okay, so here we get summation j is equal to 1 to n pj into dou z by dou xj is equal to r. Okay, that is we get implies that p1 into dou z by dou x1 run करा है j plus p2 into dou z by dou x2 up to so on plus pn into dou z by dou xn, which is equal to r. This is equation number 9. Okay, any doubt up to here? Any doubt आहेत का काही?
नो सर.
ह्याची व्हॅल्यू ठेवली तिथं फक्त पीजी पीजे इंटू टी येणार ना किती ह्याची व्हॅल्यू या खालच्या डिटर्मिनंटची जोकोबियनची. हीच व्हॅल्यू कशात ठेवली इथे 8 मध्ये ठेवली या इक्वेशन. सो वी विल गेट दिस वन. सो दिस शोज दॅट this proves that if u is the function, ui is the function of x1 x2 up to so on xn are n independent solution of equation 2 and the general solution of equation 9 is given by f of u1 u2 up to so on un is equal to 0, where f is arbitrary function. Okay, ह्याच्यावरून काय मिळालं आपल्याला f we consider that f of u1 u2 up to un is equal to 0. From this, by using equation 5, we get this equation number 8. Okay, that equation number 9. So this proves that f of u1 u2 up to un is the general solution of this partial differential equation number 9. Okay, any doubt? मागच्या थेरमला फक्त आपण x आणि y हे इंडिपेंडेंट व्हेरिएबल होते आणि z तिथे डिपेंडेंट होते. इथे इंडिपेंडेंट व्हेरिएबल किती आहेत? x1 x2 अप टू xn. ओके, इन जनरलायझेशन केल्यामुळे तुम्हाला तेव्हा हार्ड वाटत असेल, एक दोनदा प्रॅक्टिस केलं की समजेल. ओके, एनी डाउट?
Okay, sir.
नाउ सॉल्व दिस एक्झाम.
No.
काय अडचण असेल तर विचारू शकता. एक्झाम्पल सेकंड. Okay, now look at here. X square plus y square into small p plus 2xy into small q, which is equal to x plus y into z. Okay, now solve this one. The auxiliary equation of the given PD is the auxiliary equation of given PDE is what? Dx upon capital P. What is the capital P? X square plus y square is equal to dy upon 2xy is equal to dz upon x plus y into z. Okay. Now tell me, step number 1. First two, okay, dx upon x square plus y square is equal to dy upon 2xy, which implies 2xy into dx, which is equal to x square into dx plus y equal to y square into dy, which implies 2xy into dx minus x square into dy upon y square, which is equal to dy. So this is the derivative of what? This is derivative of
u upon
x square upon y. Okay, sorry, x square upon y. Okay, and is equal to dy. Now integrating, we get what we get, which is equal to x square upon y, which is equal to y minus c1, which is implies v of x y z is equal to x square minus y minus y, which is equal to c1. Okay, any doubt up to here? It is an equation number or u of x y z, कोणताही घ्या, u x y z किंवा v of x y z. Okay, any doubt up to here? The c minus c1 घ्या किंवा c1 घ्या, काही फरक पडत नाही, कारण की c1 तुमचा आर्बिट्ररी कोणताही कॉन्स्टंट आहे. ओके, आता दुसरा इंडिपेंडेंट सोल्यूशन, हाउ टू फाइंड द सेकंड इंडिपेंडेंट सोल्यूशन? Step 2. How to find next one? काय करावं लागेल? कोणते दोन सोल्युशन हे रेशो घ्यावे लागतील? किंवा काय मल्टिप्लिकेशन, ऍडिशन, सम, सबट्रॅक्शन काय करावं लागेल? dx मायनस dy करावं लागेल. काय करावं लागेल?
dx plus dy
And second is
is
dz
equal
का?
to dz. Yes.
Okay. Now second step. Dx plus dy is upon what we get? Dx plus dy x square plus y square plus 2xy, which is equal to dz upon x plus y upon z into z. Okay. Dx plus dy upon, this is x plus y bracket square, which is equal to dz upon x plus y into z. So this one is get cancelled, which implies dx plus dy upon x plus y is equal to dz upon z. Now integrating we get log x plus y is equal to log z plus log c. Okay, which implies log x plus y upon z, which is equal to log c, which implies x plus y upon z is equal to c dash, c1 dash. Okay, so this is v of xyz is equal to x plus y upon z, which is equal to c2. Okay, hence f of uv is equal to f of u is what? X square upon y minus y, and v is x plus y upon z, which is equal to 0. This is the general solution of given partial differential equation. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt?
सर एक क्वेश्चन होतं
Huh?
सर, ते रेशोजला इक्वेट करताना, ऍड करताना न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनॉमिनेटर आपण डायरेक्टली ऍड करतो, त्याचं मागचं रिझन काय आहे?
हे त्याचं रिझन आहे, हे नॉट इज इक्वल टू टी असतं काहीतरी. ओके, सो dx म्हणजे काय असतं तुमचं? t इंटू समथिंग एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस वाय स्क्वेअर, आणि dy काय येतं तुमचं? 2xy इंटू टी येतं. ओके, सो dx प्लस dy काय येणार तुमचं? कळतं का आता? अपॉन
येस.
हे व्हॅल्यू कधी कधी आपण 0 घेतो इथे. ओके, क्यू टर्न नसले की 0 घेतो. त्याचा ऍक्च्युअल अर्थ असं असतं की dz अपॉन 0 आहे तो. ओके ओके
येस सर. येस सर.
okay, now solve the homework. This is example third one. x into, जेवढं तुम्ही स्वतः सॉल्व्ह कराल तेव्हा तुम्हाला कळते कोणते रेशोज घ्यायचे त्याचे. ओके, प्लस into z minus x into q, which is equal to z into x minus y. Fourth one, z square minus 2yz minus y square into p plus x into y plus z into q, which is equal to y minus z. Sorry, this is x minus x into. Okay, solve this to one. Wait a minute. 800.